There's the posting content, and then there's the engagement part. People aren't seeing your stuff because you're not engaging in it. You have to take time to engage in those people that are following you and you're following, so that you can change that algorithm. That's where you start seeing a change in your social media. And then there's the conscious effort when you grab a client or you're working with somebody. If you feel confident in working with them and you guys have the same vibe, like one of my friends, one of the agents, who's very friendly. He says, hey, follow me on, he's on Instagram, follow me on Instagram. So now he created another member to his audience, right? And now he can engage with them there. So it takes a conscious effort to start growing it. It's not about like having this massive following. It's about being able to connect with the audience that you do have.